Hello, it's Hillary, Tempo Sells, and today we are doing a Temu unboxing. I'm going to try to stay very still so that you don't get blinded, but I didn't feel like changing my setup too much today because I got a lot going on. But anyway, I ordered from Temu about 12 days ago and everything arrived today in this, nice little poly mailer. All bundled and everything. And I opened everything up and I got, I believe, everything. I haven't compared it to what I actually ordered, but it looks like I'm not missing anything from my memory. So there's that. Temu is it's kind of, okay, so if you're familiar with AliExpress or Wish, it's kind of like that, except Temu has warehouses in the US, I believe, or close by. And so your items get here faster. They're around the same price. You usually do pay shipping, but when I go on, there's usually like free shipping, lasts for 9 hours more. And you're buying from like individual stores. So it's almost like eBay in that way. You're buying from individual stores, but your package arrives together. I don't know how that works. It's in a warehouse. Somebody picks it. I don't know. I don't want to know how sausage gets made. I was going to say I want the sausage, but that's not going to sound right. And that's not going to make a good clip. So anyway, I order a lot of stuff for my business through these sites. And I really liked ordering through AliExpress, but at some point they decided to mash my business address or my billing address and my mailing address. And so I wasn't getting my items and they weren't giving me a refund and they wouldn't correct it. So I went to Wish, but I felt like Wish, I was paying a lot for shipping. And then here comes Temu going, "We want you, Hillary." So here's my Temu order. Let's just get to it. I order a lot of bookmarks. I like bookmarks personally. The feathers, I love these feathers. And it shows you on the back what you get because I sell books. And if you buy a book from me on Pango or whatnot, you automatically get a bookmark. If you order it on eBay, it depends on how much you pay for that book. I got two of these, which are Van Gogh and Monet. There's a couple of other ones that I want, but I didn't see. There's one that's like all bright summer colors and popsicles, and those are my favorite. But I do have about 4 boxes right now because I was a little afraid that they were going to disappear, so I kept ordering them. These are like little, it says train certificate. These are like junk journaling things and little craft things. I got that because it said train certificate, and I got this one because it says library card, British Library. So I figure I could do something fun with this for when I sell books. And they're in a little book, and you get a little certificate, and it says Loan Treaty, Droit. Please read the following carefully. Do not bend without permission, yada, yada, yada. The Travel Bookshop Library Card. I do not know if that's an authentic thing, but I thought it was adorable. So I ordered it. These were all about, I don't think I spent over $3 for anything. Now, one thing that happens is if if a store has variations of an item, you have to go in and you can look at all the items and it'll say, this is item A, this is item B, this is item C. And then you, when you go to order, it comes out with a drop down and you can pick like, I want letter E. I think I picked the wrong letter on this one. I either picked the wrong letter or they sent me the wrong thing because I already have tape like this. So why would I order more? It's like postage stamps and little cancellations and things. So either they sent me the wrong one or more likely I clicked the wrong letter. But I can still use it. Shoot, I could sell it. There's a lot of people like you see on eBay and Etsy and things where people are selling like washi tapes for, you get like 10 rolls of washi tape for $10, and they're mostly buying them from Wish and Temu and AliExpress. I usually get food stickers, so I thought these were fun. One thing on Whatnot, which is a live selling platform if you're not familiar with it, is on what, ooh, I got hot all of a sudden. On Whatnot, you can purchase seller support like tips. And I do that. It helps you also unlock discounted shipping. It also helps you support the seller. But as the seller, you do have to send the customer something. So they can't just like, buy you a drink and then, walk away. They have to get something. You get a label. They pay shipping. So, I try to keep things on the, the lowest end, like 1 ounce or below, so people pay the least amount of shipping. And I have 3 tiers. I have a $1, a $2, and a $3 tip item. One is the $2 item is a packet of 10 stickers. And I send you 10 stickers. I might up that now to 15 stickers because my stickers are replenished. The $3 item is I send you an assortment of teas, and the $1 item is I send you a thank you note from Winston Puppy because you bought him a Scooby snack. So like I got these little sneaker stickers. It says cool shoes stickers. So I thought these would be fun. Also, when I sell something that is a child's item, I try to put something in there that is child friendly as a little gift. Sometimes I have like little Hot Wheels cars or something. Sometimes I have stickers. So I just try to throw in a little something. This is some paper where I think I ordered the wrong one. But I could definitely use it and I like it. So cheers to me. This was, I think I wanted the one that had like country scenes on it, like Chinese painting. I think that's the one I wanted, but that's what I got. I can use that. This I thought would be a cute thing to add to sticker packages. It's like little makeup, like palettes and lipsticks and things. Oh, you can see it actually better on the back. One of the things I like here is it says tips, but then the rest is in Chinese. So tips are not very helpful. There's usually some cool words on there. So this one says, follow your heart, but take your brain with you. There are 40 pieces in here. So that is cool. I also got, they were out of, I think, 3 of my thank you stickers. So this is the only one I ended up getting, which says, thank you for your order. And I don't use these long ones as much. It really depends. Next, I ordered, this is for a specific sale, excuse me, on Whatnot. We have what is called Sip and Sell. The next one is June 2nd. Put it on your calendars. I drank tequila one time. Ooh, that was not good. And then I drank rosé another time. That was even worse. Bad and beautiful decisions. What we do is there's about 8 or 9 of us, and we all have a beverage, an adult beverage, and we sell books in half-hour time blocks. And at the end of the night, it's lively. That's all I'm going to say. So I thought this would be fun to include on the next Sippy Sell, as I call it. I also got some My Little Pony stickers. Honest, those are just for me. But like I said, if I have an item that's for a child that sells, I'll probably throw a couple of these in. We got, the Rainbow Dash, the Applejack, Twilight Sparkle, who is my pony, Pinkie Pie, Fluttershy. Where's the other one? The fashion one. I always forget her name. Is she even in here? Verity, something like that. Oh yeah, there she is. Okay. I was like, oh, she's not even in there. But yeah, so all the ponies are present and accounted for. I also got 2 different things of these. These are like 4.5 by 5.5 little card things, and these were way cheaper than I had been buying them for, and I've been using them a lot because when I have things that I bundle that are small, it's nice to put them in a little container so they don't roll around. So like if you're selling like, a bunch of beads, you could just throw them in here and zip it closed and you're good to go. I also ordered larger ones that would fit a mass market paperback. I don't like to use all this plastic, but I've gotten some soggy boxes because it rains like a crazy amount here. And I don't know how to combat that other than put it in plastic. It's one thing I honestly never thought of when I was selling in California because, never rains in Southern California. And so I think like, oh, well, the post office does its job all the time and not making sure things get wet. But how can they do that? Because it rains all the time and they have to deliver the mail. So I started putting everything in plastic and I feel bad about it, but that's the way it goes. I hope people reuse the plastic. I reuse it. So if you send me something in plastic or in a poly mailer, I definitely reuse it. These are, I think I don't know that this was the size I wanted. These are like clear Post-it notes that you can use for annotating books. And I thought I got the square or the larger rectangle, but it turns out these are actually better. I just have to make sure I didn't pay for the larger size. But I'm happy with those. I also got, I love these little boxes of stickers. And let's see, they're French fries. They're food stickers again. And the one for some reason, the one that sold me, it was dragon fruit, and then hamburger, there's one with figs. I don't know, for some reason that really sold me. Papaya. They look like old like crate signs or like old metal signs that were in like bodegas and things. Passion fruit. Try here, best cupcakes. Okay. Then green pea. I can't find the fig one, but it was really cute. I don't know, honestly, will I put those in the, here's the figs. Will I put them in with the little sticker packs, or will I start doing ephemera packs again and selling those on Etsy? Maybe I will. We'll see. We'll see how it goes here in the new house. I do like putting together the ephemera packs. They're awfully fun because you can mix and match things and all of that. And then I got these, which I'm not happy with. They are definitely going in the sticker pack. Yeah, I just don't like them. I thought, like, I think on the picture, it looked like, because these just look like they're cut down from a larger piece of sticker paper. And I thought I was getting like more like these individual little oranges. And I took something off that I really liked and got these instead because I thought these would be different for me. Well, they are different. They're different in the fact that I don't like them. But there's a lot in here. And the thing about these stickers is the peel off back, you have to kind of attack it because they don't have like the little split so that you can just take them off really easy. So it's also kind of like a job. The last thing I got is these little bubble mailers. I'm not 100% happy on these, but they were super, super cheap. Like I said, I think these might have been $3.68 and I got 100 of them. There's 2 bundles. So I got 100 of these, and they're about 5 by 7, which in my brain was bigger. I don't know why. And I probably need the 7 by 10 size. Also, the nice thing about Temu is almost everything has imperial measurements. So, I can convert. I can use my phone and I can convert things. But if you're looking at, poly mailers and stickers, like I like the 1 inch, or not the 1 inch, the 1.5 inch thank you stickers. And to constantly have to go back and forth. I mean, you know, once you look at the 1.5 or whatever it is in centimeters, you know what you're looking for. But to go back and forth between, you know, poly mailers and bags and plastic containers and things like that, and have to convert, it's kind of a pain in the patoot. These I thought had the sticky label on them. I had gotten some on sale at Office Depot, super cheap, and I really liked them. I used them really well, and I really liked them. And so I thought I'd order some more. And these are smaller, and a lot of they don't seem very bubbly. Seems like a lot of the bubbles have been popped. But for $3.68, even if I double them up, that's $3.68 for 50. So I think that is a pretty good deal. So I'm not going to make any complaints on that. And these are the ones that I took off the outside. So maybe the inner ones are more bubbly. Let's try it. Let's just grab a bunch from the center. Yeah, they're a little more bubbly. So yeah, not much, but definitely more than these. But you know, if you double them up, they're good to go. And that's my Temu order. And I hope that was informative. I don't know. I don't do too many unboxings. But yeah, and my next order is probably going to be the 7x10 size, or as close as I can get to the bubbles. And probably some poly mailers. I was going through the poly mailers is a lot. It's a lot on anything, even going through them on Amazon, which is where I usually end up ordering them from, because I just usually sort it by price, and then I find the size that I need, and I can find it on sale. And I like to get 100 for $9 or less is my goal. And I can do it. I've done it for like, you know, $7.99 and $8.99, but now I'm noticing, since the prices for everything are going up, that it's a little harder to find the poly mailers, and I'm going to need some in about 3 months. So I'm gonna have to get on that. And the other thing I'm going to order is some more washi tape. Right now I'm full up on washi tape, but I have been selling it on Whatnot. So I'm going to order some more. I've been selling the ones that I haven't really been using. But I love washi tape. So I'm just going to order it just because I like it. And one of the things that I do with washi tape, especially because if it's something that I like and I don't want to sell the whole thing, is I call it a splitsies. And I get the little DMC floss containers, the plastic ones. And I wrap the washi tape around there. And you can get it nice and tight, but it's washi tape, so it peels off of itself very well. And I can sell those. They usually have like a little hole on them. You can hang them by a little ring, but I sold my rings. So I had little key rings. I sold those. You know, you can sell like 3 little bits of washi tape for, you know, $3 or something. And yeah, that's a good deal. So you pay for your supplies when you sell them. That's the goal. And that is everything. I hope that you have a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And like I said, I'll have a regular schedule soon. My housewarming is this Sunday, so and I'm still putting stuff together in the house. You can see, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about the lamp, but you can see there's still stuff all over that needs to get put away. So we are going to do that, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.